You know what's actually underrated? Not speed, not specs, not how many apps you have installed. It's how well your devices work together. Because most of us don't just use one device anymore. You've got your phone, your laptop, maybe a tablet, and if they don't talk to each other, you're constantly finding them instead of using them properly. And before I figured this out, I was sending files to myself over email, screenshot on the phone, open laptop, find the file, transfer it every single time. It sounds small, really, but when you do it 10 times a day, it starts to feel like your devices are actually working against you. So let me show you what it looks like when that actually changes. First, AirDrop. No cables, no apps, no accounts. You're just tap and send photos, PDFs, links, whatever. I use this constantly. It's not a wow feature, okay? It's just the way things should work. And once you try it, you realize how broken everything else is. Then there is Handoff. And this one actually changes how you think about your workflow. You start reading something on your phone, for example. You pick it up on your Mac exactly where you left it off. You copy text on your phone and paste it on your iPad or Mac. Yeah, it sounds simple because it's actually super simple, and that's the catch. And then there is iCloud. Everything syncs in the background without you doing anything. Your photos, your documents, your notes, they just appear on whichever device you're on. You don't manage it, you don't think about it, it's just there. Here's how I actually use this day to day. For example, I get a document on my phone, could be a PDF, an assignment, a contract, whatever. I open it in my PDFelement right here, make some quick edits, annotate it, get the basics done and so on. Then I move to my iPad when I need more space, okay? Better view, more control, proper markup, highlighting, comments, whatever. And by the time I sit down in front of my Mac, everything is here. I didn't export anything, I didn't send anything to myself, I didn't even think about it. And that's a plus. That's what seamless actually means. Not a feature, a feeling. I also keep PDFelement as a widget on my Mac desktop, so my recent files are right there the second I open my laptop. No digging through folders, no, wait, where did I save this file? The thing about the Apple ecosystem is that it doesn't really ask you to change how you work, it just removes the friction that was always there. You stop thinking about where your file is, you stop thinking about which device you're on, you just do the thing working. And honestly, that's the real upgrade, not the cheap, not the screen, the fact that everything around you works together. It feels like one device with multiple screens, and that's a big plus. And if you tried it once, it's really hard to get back to Windows or whatever. So that's how it works. And that's the reason why a lot of people using iPad, Mac, iPhone for work, because everything is connected every single second. And I should say one simple thing. Everything that should be complicated at the end of the tunnel is super simple. And that's how things really work. So yeah, thank you for your attention and be patient about your devices.